Today we're making green pozole, traditional Mexican soup. I'm Chef Jeffrey Held, and this is Cooking for Wellness at NYU Langone Health. We're joined by cardiologist Dr. Sean Heffron. Dr. Heffron, can you tell us a little bit about your role here at NYU Langone Health?
I'm a preventive cardiologist, a member of the Center for the Prevention of Cardiovascular Disease.
How much of a role does nutrition play in this?
Nutrition is really foundational, and nutrition, a healthy diet along with exercise and physical activity are key.
So let's get started.
This is delicious and healthy.